Good morning, everyone. I'm Xi Bo, the director of the Ningbo Library. I'm glad to here to share our library's ideas and vision with you today. 宁波是一个历史悠久的城市，拥有中国县城最古老的图书馆天一阁。天一阁的历史可以追溯到1561年。我们宁波新图书馆也是传承了这个历史文脉，把图书馆建成一个把人与人、自然、人与书、人与人连接起来的这样一个图书馆。
Well, I will translate it for you in English. Ningbo is an important city when discussing the history of libraries in China, as it is home of the Tianyi Pavilion, the oldest existing library in China dating back to the year of 1561. Historically, this was where officials and scholars would meet to discuss the ideas of the day. So we wanted to make the new library reflect this ideal, the library as a meeting place. To do this, we created an open, plain ground floor that we refer to as the marketplace. Here, visitors can find their personal space but still be part of a larger collective community. To reflect the future of libraries being about people, we created a grand book stack for people at the heart of the library. This connects the marketplace to the rest of the space on the upper floors. We try to provide a comfortable, convenient, open and inclusive reading space and leisure place for all. We created clear, open glass surrounding the marketplace and open public terraces on the upper floors that connect the users with the surrounding ecological wetland and cityscape, connecting them back to their city. So, this is our idea and vision to build a library that connects people with nature, people with books, people with people.
这个新图书馆最让我自豪的是，它不仅仅是一个阅读空间，而且是成为它所在的社区我们东部新城新的文化中心。它通过开放的布局、框架式的结构，通过一些文化活动，有效地带动了周边的文化，促进了社区的文化交流。
What I am most proud of is that the library has become the new cultural center of the community it is located in, Ningbo Eastern New Town. So, 3 keywords here: connection, engagement, and empowerment. Connection, through its flexible open layout, it locates the core, the most active and utilized functions on the first floor, the most popular large book reading area, lecture hall, and cafe. It also opens to the surrounding area through a large floor-to-ceiling glass curtain wall connecting the civic square and the ecological park, making it the most popular public reading space for residents of the surrounding community. Then engagement. It adopts a modular frame design with high flexibility to support the integration of different space so that the functions of the library can be constantly changed with the development of the city, supporting the upgrading of the functions of such as convention and exhibition of the Eastern New Town, and allowing the library and its community to be perfectly integrated. More importantly, empowerment. Through a series of cultural events such as lectures, exhibitions, and concerts, the library effectively encourages cultural exchange and empowers a literate, informed, and participative community.
我觉得建设图书馆最大的收获是拥有了更加开放的心态和更广阔的视野。我们图书馆深受市民的欢迎，最多一天接待了9757个人，超过了它的设计容量。因而在我们的建筑的体量上，在建筑的功能上，我们都做了加强，包括通过数字化的阅读，特别是通过图书邮寄的方式延伸了我们服务。这个天约书的项目也荣获了伊芙拉2020年的营销奖。未来我们还会不断的创新，让更多的人来到这个图书馆，享受这个图书馆。
Reviewing the whole process, 2 points are quite crucial. One is to do a good job of full communication, from planning, design to construction and operation. The other is to get the full support of the city, including transportation support, financial support, and resource sharing. The challenge we encountered unexpectedly was that when the new library opened in 2019, the highest number of readers received on one day was 9,757, exceeding the maximum design capacity of this library. And we've been working hard on it. First, we increased outdoor reading activities. Second, with limited space, we provide more digital resources for readers. And third, extend the library's services through book mailing. We conducted a book mailing project named Dating a Book in 24 Hours, which was recognized for the innovative and creative approaches to marketing project in IFLA International Marketing Award in 2020. The biggest takeaway is that the whole process has given me a more open mind and a broader view. The new library is not just a pure reading space, but also a cultural center of the community. By providing new services, including music and digital services, we try to meet the changing needs of our readers. We are glad to see that more people, especially young people, are willing to come to Ningbo New Library and really enjoy themselves here. Thank you.
非常感谢。